Inviting someone to collaborate on ClickUp is simple and allows you to bring team members, clients, or external collaborators into your workspace for seamless project management and communication. Here's a step-by-step guide to inviting someone on ClickUp. Log into ClickUp. Access your ClickUp account by visiting the ClickUp website or mobile app. Ensure you are logged into your workspace. Navigate to the workspace settings. In the left-hand sidebar, click on the workspace settings icon. This will take you to the settings section where you can manage members and invitations. Go to the People tab. Under Workspace Settings, click on the People tab to view all current members and invite new ones. Click Invite People. On the People page, click the Invite People button located in the top right corner. Enter the email address. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. You can invite them as a guest, member, or admin based on the level of access they need. Customize permissions. Choose the appropriate permissions for the person you're inviting. Options include Member, full access to tasks and projects. Guest, limited access to specific tasks and projects. Admin, full administrative control over the workspace. Send invitation. After selecting the appropriate role and permissions, click Send Invitation. An email will be sent to the invited person, prompting them to join your ClickUp workspace. Confirm and collaborate. Once the invited person accepts the invitation, they will have access to the tasks, projects, and collaboration features of ClickUp based on their assigned role.